Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making little notebook origamis. So we were trying to go with the TikTok kind, but that was so hard and that took forever. So I decided to do it my own way. So it's so much more easier and so much more faster. Let's get started. So what you'll need are some papers. It doesn't matter what size. It can be colorful ones too. I decided to go with the small one this time. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and fold it right in half, like this. Oops. So, okay, so you go ahead and fold it in half like this, and we go ahead. Go ahead and flip it over, and we fold on the back side. Make sure it's even, or if it isn't even, that's okay. It'll still work. So after that, what you're gonna have to do is do the same exact thing on the other side. And then after you're done doing that, you're gonna go ahead and open it. Grab your scissors. And grab your other rectangle and stick it right on top on the first one. So it looks like that. So they're stuck together. And then what we're gonna do is keep on repeating. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one on the last. Oops. Spot. So after you're done putting glue on the squares and stuff, sometimes I like to make sure that this is even right here. You don't have to, but it's just, I like to do that so it's all even. Okay, so right after I'm done doing that, what? Okay, so after you're done and there's the last square, what you're gonna do is put glue on that last square and go ahead and put it right on top of the book, the origami notebook. And so now you can open it all like this. It's your choice if you want to put like different like a book cover or just leave it. I have like all these different designs. It's up to you. So I decided to go with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a rectangle out of it.
Let me see if this is same exact size. Yep. Okay, so what you're gonna do is grab the glue stick and put it all on top of the cover. Oops. And go ahead and place that. I accidentally made mine a little long, but that's okay. So I'll probably cut until here. And I'm going to go ahead and put glue all on this side now. After you do that, you're going to make sure you do it nice and tight and press down really. So after you're done pressing down, you can go ahead and cut off the extra paper from it. I'm going ahead and cutting off extra paper that was on it. Like this. And that's my book. You can go ahead and open it, and there's like pages and all that stuff, and you can actually really write in them. So say if I want to write hi, I can. Like how I wrote. It's like a little mini to-do book. You can put a face if you want, like how I did. But I just decided to not put a face on this one. So that's how you make a little origami notebook. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, do a thumbs up, and share. Bye!